Fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Someone should buy this immediately. Hi everybody and welcome to Biopodere Ortolano, which is a biofarm right next to Vivizzano.
La casa non è il biopodere, eh?
Wait, I'm sorry. What is this? Is this... I know it's the house.
La casa è
What is the sign? Why is it pointing towards
Sì,
the house?
land.
Why is it the same colore for the mailbox
Sì,
and the door?
la strada infatti passa di qua.
This is so confusing. So what are we saying? One house?
One house.
One house. Okay, we're just going to go and see the house and see what happens because I am very confused.
Signor Federico,
Ma davvero?
la fattoria è un sogno vero.
But wait,
Wait,
the farm, is it included or is it a mirage in red? Let me check my brochurazione. Oh, Federico, how many rooms?
We don't know. Amico, a farmhouse here.
A house right there.
But the cows and fields not included. Beware.
This is very nice. I think this is very pretty. Very,
Wow.
very pretty, very natural, very beautiful. All the lavender. These are all pomegranate trees. Wow, that's cool.
La proprietà, bella anche la muratura,
Yes, nice stone, yes.
con questo giardino.
Okay. Oh, nice. This is
Very,
beautiful.
very nice.
Oh yeah, this is freaking groovy. I mean, this is great. This is what I'm talking about. It smells like incense in here. They've got to have the music, the little music in here. Oh, this
wow.
is fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. This is what I'm talking about. This is it. This is what I'm talking about. This is, I would buy this. This is so cute. This kitchen is so good. They've done such a great job. It's minimal. It's not, this is how you do
Minimal.
inexpensive stuff. You do it very minimally. Minimal, same colors, board. I mean, this is great. Lot of light, terrific windows. They actually have taste. It's fantastic. I just love everything. I love it all. I love it. Wrap it up. Let's take it. It's also a little movie setish, which I like as well.
I love.
You love that? That's what you love? All of a sudden, he's a stylist. Absolutely fantastic. Love it. Perfect. This is so good. This is fantastic. I freaking love this place. Someone needs to come get this house. And I'm telling you, it's in a great, great, great location. It really is. And your neighbors are groovy. Like everybody's like into bio stuff. I don't know.
Relax.
Yeah, I think these
Quiet.
people may even, have a little fun. I kind of dig these people. Who are these people? Why have I not met them? This is a bedroom storage room. What is this? In any case, these are cool people. Federico, why have you not shown me this house before?
Sì?
What's
Open
the matter
house.
with you? This is so cool. So they've kind of taken the traditional stuff that we keep seeing over and over again, but they've made it sort of groovy because they've added some sort of groovy artistic touches and elements to it, and they've styled it that way. And it's just so cool Italian. It's a movie. It's a movie set here. Someone should buy this immediately. And then invite me over for a party, if you know what I mean. This is great. Oh my God, see, just so simple, pared down. Didn't do anything fancy. Let's just pare it down, pare it down, pare it down. Oh, I love this. What is this? Is this a sitting room? Is another sitting room?
Is possibile bedroom o...
Yeah, this is great. They did a great job on this. Yeah, this is super cool. I mean, I think you buy it, you enjoy it. You have an outdoor area. You can make a cool garden outside, pergola, all that stuff. And I will say it's not warm in here. It's warm outside. It's not warm in here. Yeah, because it's a stone house. It's kind of a groovy shape. It has kind of a groovy shape.
What's going on with the ceilings?
Chestnut.
It's kind of groovy. I kind of like it. It's a little bit Japanesey weird, and I like it. That's what it is. It's kind of something between Japanese and hippie chic. So if this is your vibe, this could be so like ding, 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 great here. You know what? It is wabi-sabi, which I really like. I love this. Okay, bathroom's great. Yeah, this is cool. I love it. I love it. And it would be a great rental as well. And again, we're near where I live, so we're near the sea, we're near the mountains, we're near Parma, we're near Florence. I love this house. I think this house is really freaking cool. Wow, very good. Finally, Federico. Che cosa è questa?
Questo avevano fatto per...
Get out of there, Michael.
Sì, questo è per i radiatori, forse per l'acqua, per i radiatori.
He doesn't know what it is.
Anche là, vedi?
And instead of saying, I don't know, non lo so, wouldn't that be easier than you saying some bullshit answer to me?
Chiediamo.
That's why you guys love me. Admit it. I mean, you want to go through with a real estate agent who knows what's up, right? And then they have this heats the house.
I like that it's at an offset angle.
It's a little, this might need to be addressed.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, this will need to be addressed. But, you know, they have a tatami mat. I'm just saying, these people are like with the program here.
Total new.
That's your little mechanical room right there. I would enclose that, obviously. But I think it's groovy. I like it. You know, you can throw $5,000 into here and be done with it. You literally could just move in like this and then just figure out what your deal is. But I mean, I think it's groovy. Obviously, we have Marco go through. Obviously, you know, you have the geometer look at everything, but I could love this place. It's got good vibes, right? I think it's really cool.
Now, second apartments.
There's an apartment as well?
In the
Okay,
house.
let's go look.
Ristore.
I say yes to this. I say yes. This is a yes for me. It's a yes.
C'è Marco ha fatto.
Marco Fatto, good. That's good. It's always good news if his brother's working on something.
Questo è bellissimo.
Yeah, it's great.
History.
Yeah, I agree. It's
The
great.
Cellar. Big Cellar.
Oh yeah, I see that. Wow, that's cool.
Prego.
Oh, okay, prego. Prego. Okay, let's go upstairs to the apartment. Oh geez, this is a construction site. Be aware. Ah! Sorry. I'm okay, it's okay.
No problem.
No problem. Okay. Oh, so you get
Big
this
room?
whole thing. So you can do a little renovation too if you want. You don't have to, but you can. This is great. Very
Nice.
cool. Yeah,
Potenziale.
it's terrific. Yeah. I love it. Bird not included. Yeah.
Big room.
So let me look in the other. Yeah, this is cool. This would make a great apartment, right? You could also rent it out. What's with the wires and hanging things? I always think it's so creepy.
Living room or
Yeah,
big
they
bedroom.
got a lot of shit up here. Jeez. Why is there a bird flying around?
It's possibile.
Ah,
Bathroom.
Bathroom. What the
Bathroom.
fuck? Okay, I'm done here. We can go now. This to me is a party house. Like someone that likes to entertain, wants to bring a bunch of people to hang out. God bless you, Michael. God bless you. This is like my house was when I found it. It was like, let's all be in an Italian movie. That's what this house is. So,
Oh,
for 190,000 euros, so a little over $200,000, you can buy yourself the perfect movie set Italian party house. That's what I'm going to call this. It's zen, it's cool. The people across from you have groovy taste. It's very, very groovy here. So if you have groovy taste, like to do yoga,
Nice.
like to hike, this is a place for you.
Fantastico.
Well done. God bless you. Jesus. 4 thumbs up. Get in here. Come here. We need more
See.
thumbs. More thumbs. More thumbs. Come on.
Remember, subscribe.
Okay. Oh, right. More thumbs. More thumbs. Lots of thumbs up. Okay. Thanks so much if you got this far. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. And I really mean this today. Peace.